They're all looking at you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, let me introduce myself. My name is Fitri Fatima. I'm from class 3F with a final name of 210. In this video, I will review a movie titled Cinderella. This movie is in the fantasy genre. Cinderella is an American romantic fantasy movie directed by Kenneth Branagh with a screenplay written by Chris Weitz, produced by David Baron, Simon Kinberg, and Alicia Seymour for Walt Disney Pictures. The movie story is inspired by Carles Perrault for Ted Cinderella and used the names of characters from Walt Disney 1950 movie, the same name. Released in Indonesia March 11, 2015. What was the story about? In ancient times, there lived a beautiful and sweet girl named Cinderella. Cinderella is the daughter of a rich merchant. Her father really loved Cinderella and always gave her whatever she wanted. After Cinderella's mother died, her father married a widow who had two daughters, Drizella and Anastasia. Cinderella was forced to sleep in the dirty attic, and her two stepsisters shared her room. One day, Cinderella went into the
Are you
forest
all
for
right,
a
miss?
walk.
What did he
Cinderella
call you?
Never mind what they
accidentally
call
met
me.
a
I'm sorry.
man
It's not your
on
doing.
horseback
Not yours
who
either, I'll
was
bet.
hunting.
I hope to see you
The
again,
two
miss.
And are
finally
you?
got to know each other, and it was discovered that man was named Kit. It turned out the kid is actually a royal prince that Cinderella doesn't know about. On the way home from the forest with a flowery heart, suddenly bad news came. Cinderella's father died. This situation makes the treatment of the Cinderella's mother and stepsister even more arbitrary because Cinderella has a keen heart. She can make close friends with other animals around the house who help her complete her tasks. Once upon a time, there was a dance party being held in the place. Cinderella really wanted to come to the party, but the stepmother gave her a lot of text so Cinderella could not come. Cinderella was very sad because the could not go to the party, but when she was sad, the fairy godmother suddenly appeared from her bedroom window, then entertained Cinderella and helped in Cinderella to go to the party by turning a pumpkin into a carrot, a mouse into cookman, and her clothes in a very beautiful dress, and giving Cinderella the best glass slipper in the world. However, before leaving, the fairy godmother told him that they had to leave the dance at exactly 12 o'clock at night. Cinderella's presence at the dance
They're
present
all looking
party
at you.
stole
Believe me,
everyone's
they're all
attention,
looking at you.
including the prince.
Where
The
there is
prince asked
kindness,
her to
there
dance
is
very
goodness.
harmoniously. When the bell rang at exactly 12 o'clock at night, Cinderella hurried away even though the prince held her back until she left her glass slipper. The prince held a sambara to feed the gods. One by one he went to the house and arrived at Cinderella's house. Her two stepsisters tried to wear the sauce, but none of them fit the sauce. Until finally, when the prince came out, he saw a bird from the window. Finally, the stepmother was forced to allow Cinderella to wear the sauce, and to her surprise, that sauce fit Cinderella perfectly, and according to the prince promised to marry Cinderella. Cinderella became a prince in the kingdom and lived happily. Who were the main character of the story? Cinderella. What did the main character do in the story? One, Cinderella don't like to complain, having a cruel stepmother and two stepsisters did not bother. Two, Cinderella loves sister. At the end of the story, Cinderella did not bolt any grades against her mother and two older stepsisters. Who was your favorite character? Why? Yeah, Cinderella, because Cinderella is a very good Cinderella character. Could you relate to any of the character in the story? Cinderella, keen, patient, confident, and never give up. Prince, handsome, dashing, humble, keen, loving, and authoritative. Stepmother and stepsister, evil and cruel. Did you like the movie? Yes, I like the movie. What was your favorite part of the movie? His favorite part is when the prince danced with Cinderella and when the prince finds the girl who owns the glass slipper. Do you have less favorite part of the movie? Yes, when the stepmother and two stepsisters treated Cinderella as a servant. Would you recommend that this move the another person? Yes, I recommended this move the people who like fantasy movies because this movie is very good and moral message about the moral message that can be taken from this story is that patience and kindness will give a beautiful result. Thank you.